Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm making oxtails, and these are the seasonings that I'm using today. I'm using the steakhouse seasoning, the jerk seasoning, the garlic and pepper seasoning, the minced onions, and the gravy, brown gravy mix. I'm going to be putting a little bit, about a third cup of this Coca-Cola in there to tenderize the meat. So I just added my Coca-Cola at the bottom. As you can see, I turned on the crock pot. I'm going to put the top on it, and I'm going to let it cook on high for about 6 or 7 hours. And we'll be back to check on the progress. Okay, 5 hours later, coming back to the crock pot. Check out the oxtails. Okay, they're looking good. Really, really good. I took as much fat off as I could off the oxtails, because oxtails are kind of a fatty meat anyway, so I tried to shave as much of the fat off as I could. But they look really, really good, and they taste really, really good. Yes, these oxtails are the bomb diggity, baby. And look how tender. That's when the meat's just falling off the bone. That's how tender they are. So that's it, oxtails, Ella's Oxtails. Thanks for tuning to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hi guys, thanks for tuning to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I made some oxtails with gravy over rice, cabbage, and black-eyed peas with ham. So all of these recipes are on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out, and Instagram. But all the video recipes are on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit!